Welcome to our course on t-shirt design. A t-shirt, also spelled as t-shirt or t-shirt or T for short, is a style of fabric shirt made after the T shape of its body and sleeves. Traditionally, it has short sleeves and a round neckline, known as crew neck, which lacks a collar. So what is the purpose of t-shirt design? It's for branding purpose. Putting a logo and other information about brands on custom t-shirts help companies in creating brand awareness and drawing attention. They communicate the brand message in a way or such as casual and friendly way. And in this modern age, t-shirt designers have a very high demand. So what is a t-shirt designer? You can work as a freelance t-shirt designer or also a casual or commercial t-shirt designer job. That means that you are an independent artist who develops logos and ideas for t-shirt. You can also create mock-ups on design software, work on apparels and logos, design, assist with brand identity and communicate with the client to understand their vision. Okay? So, what is t-shirt marketing, which is the last thing? T-shirt marketing means using the t-shirt to sell your own brand. Many brands utilize t-shirt marketing even if you aren't aware of it. Even, ironically, clothing companies. Consider clothing companies that sell popular fashion items. So thus, by learning this lesson or learning this course, you can also implement on t-shirt designing for marketing and also various purposes. So, in this course or in this lesson, we will learn how to use the tools of Adobe Photoshop to make t-shirt designs. So that you can use different type of software such as Adobe Illustrator and other ones to make t-shirt designs. But in this lesson, as this is a lot beginner friendly and flexible, I used Adobe Photoshop because comparatively Adobe Photoshop is a lot easier to use to make t-shirt design than other ones such as Illustrator and all of those. There is a difference between the Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. Well, Adobe Illustrator is one used for making graphics. Thus, it takes a high load on your PC, such as heavy RAM usage and also CPU usage. Thus, you need a high-end PC to use Adobe Illustrator. Okay, but in Adobe Photoshop, you can use a low-end and also a medium-end PC to make each and every graphics and also make t-shirt designs. Well, it also takes a high memory usage, but you have to be, aware of that. But comparatively, Adobe Photoshop is much easier to use. Then we are going to learn about the basic category of t-shirt designs. We are going to start off from the basics until to the complex design. And that is also covered in this lesson, complex designs. Then what we're going to learn about is mocking up that design later on to the t-shirt. Okay, so by the end of this lesson or by the end of this course, we will know how to use the tools of Photoshop to make designs. Obviously, just the way we need to make designs, just as you can see on my left screen, that we have a couple of designs too. Then we will know about mocking up the design on a t-shirt. Well, that is the end of the process. If you don't know how to mock up the design on a t-shirt, then obviously you will not be able to start up your own career as a t-shirt designer or for like casual uses. We can make pre-built design and also from scratches. Such as you can see on my left screen, I have some pre-built designs. You can also make designs from scratch by using a couple of tools Adobe Photoshop has to offer. Then how to use different format of designs. There are a couple of formats of designs. We can extract it from JPG, PNG, we have PSD, AI, and all of those. We will know how to extract that or use the different format of designs. Then we are going to learn about how to extract the design and mock it up and then save it for later purpose. So there are a couple of things here. We will know that how we can extract the design or specific areas from specific photos or specific format of photos. Then we are going to learn how to mock it up and save it for later purpose. Then get familiar with making t-shirt design to use it for casual and also for professional purpose. All of the steps which I'm going to show you in this course, you will later on be able to utilize it for your casual and also for professional purpose, such as t-shirt design marketing and also freelance t-shirt designer. Okay, So, hope you to see you in this course. So let's start our course with the first lesson.